I'm doing the chicken parm with the shredded chicken or rotisserie chicken, egg, and Parmesan cheese, and a little spices. So I'm gonna see if we get it. Ooh, is that done? Is that done? Let's let it go some more. My green light came on, so I'm thinking that's mean it's done. So we're gonna take it out and we're gonna see. Oh yeah. Need a plate. So we're going to, I know I should have used tongues, but I'm just kind of using, and we're off. We got it all over here. So we've got it. We've got it, y'all. Chicken waffle. Okay, so I've got it and I went ahead and sliced it. So we've got it. This is the chicken parm waffle, chicken parm. And I'm gonna get the Caesar salad piece with this, the lettuce, tomato, some more cheese, Parmesan cheese, bacon, and a little bit of Caesar salad dressing. We have the Caesar salad waffle wrap, a waffle. Bam.